What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're here at the Quaking Aspen campground near the Sequoias in California, and we're just enjoying a day out in nature. We've been out this whole week from Big Sur to Santa Cruz and just enjoying, disconnecting from all the craziness. We're about to put up the drone right now and try to get some good shots. Got a nice little green field over here and some nice trees, so we'll see how it looks on the drone. Alright, that was pretty cool. On to the next spot.
Want some water? Are you recording that?
Nice little loop, pretty easy, but there are flies that like to bite out here. Alright guys, I'm getting eaten alive by flies out here. Once you start sweating, it attracts the flies. So I'm gonna try this wipeout, see if it helps. One got me right there. We found a nice little spot, getting kind of hungry, so we're gonna bust out a little jet boiler some fish that we got from Santa Barbara. Got a nice little piece of halibut. Share with the dogs, grill it up real quick, and have a nice lunch. Alright, basically we just screw this in. This is our little stovetop. Alright, so we left the salt and pepper and the oil in the car. So we're gonna eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich right now. Alright guys, so we finished the loop of the trail, but it took us to the side of the road. We're not sure what direction our car is, but we have the drone. So we're gonna put the drone and find the car. So that's a useful way. You can use your drone in case you get lost. So we're gonna put it up right now so we don't waste energy looking for the car. Found the car, guys. We're gonna go get our oil and our seasoning. Go make some lunch real quick. Alright guys, looks like it's done. Just gonna eat it out the pan. Fresh halibut from Santa Barbara we picked up the other day.
Thanks, babe. Cheers. Wow.
So good. Fish tastes better outdoors.
Wow. Super simple.
That was super delicious. Got some nice protein in. I'm just gonna pack up, clean up, hit the road. Gotta get back to normal life, go back to work. It's been a nice week being out in nature. Feeling refreshed, so let's roll out. Try to get some drone footage on the way out. Saw some cool mountains and trees on the way out, so maybe we can get some cool footage. Catch you guys in a bit.